Today we are going to make a math exam review for semester 2, grade 1. In this slide, we have to write the following numbers in letters or word form. As you can see, these numbers are written in digits or standard form, and we have to write them in letters or word form. The first example is what? Yes, Mirella. It is 13. It is written like this in letters. The second number is, yes, Lamar. So the second number is 18. The third one is 11. The last one, yes, Ali? It is 8. It's written like this in word form. So all of you must know the numbers from 1 till 20 written in digits and letters, okay? In this slide, we have to identify the ordinal numbers of the following letters. The first one, it is C. C, it is the third letter. So, A is what? A is what? It is the first letter. So, as you can see, the ordinal number, we have to write it in letters, not in digits, okay? The second one is what? Is G. Yes. It is the seventh letter, okay? Good. So all of you must know all the ordinal numbers written in digits and in letters. In this slide, we have to count by tens. Then we have to write the answers in digits, standard form, and letters, word form. Can we begin counting? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many tens do we have here? 5 tens. 5 tens is equal to what? 50. 50, we have to write it in letters. So we have to write it in this way. Okay? Yeah. Here we have to write the numbers that come right after. What's the number right after 13? It is what? Yes. 14. What's the number right after 18? Yes. It is 19. Then we have to write the number before 19. What's the number before 19? 18. What's the number right before 11? Yes. 10. Last, we have to write the numbers between 8 and 10. What's the number between 8 and 10? It is? 9. Yes, good. What's the number between 15 and 17? Yes? 16. Good. In this slide, we have to calculate the following equations. Okay, we have to count. We have to put the largest number in our head and the smallest number on our fingers. Okay, 8 plus 10. So we have to put 10 in our head and 8 on our fingers. The answer will be? 18. Good. The second one, 6 plus 6. Yes. Is equal to what? Yes, Linda? 12. 8 plus 0 is equal to what? 8. Any number we add it to 0 will give us the same number. The last one, 7 plus 9. 16. In this slide, we have to find the tens or the doubles, then calculate the operations. So, we have 2 plus 7 plus 2. As you can see, the doubles are circled. So, what will be the answer? 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 7 is equal to? 11. Okay. The second one, we have to circle 3 and 7. Why? Because they are equal to? 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to? 15. Yes. Here, we have 1 plus 9 plus 2. So 9, we have to circle 9 and 1. Why? Because 10. So it's 12. The last one, we have to circle which numbers? 5. Because they are the double of 5. Equal 16. 6 plus 2 plus 2. We have to circle the doubles, which are 2 and 2. So we have to put 6 plus 4 equal 10. 8 plus 2 plus 9. We have to circle 8 and 9 because they are equal to 10. Then we have to put 9. 9. 10 plus 9 are equal to 19. Good. In this slide, we have to calculate the sum of the following equations. The first one is 1 plus 3 plus 8. First, we have to add 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. The second one, we have to add 2 plus 3 first, which are equal to 2 plus 3 are equal to 5. 5 plus 7 equal to 12. So the second one, 4 plus 2 plus 3. First, we have to leave 4 as it is. Then we have to add 2 plus 3 equals 5. So equal 9. 2 plus 8 plus 1. We have to leave 2 as it is. Then we have 8 plus 1 to equal 11. In this slide, we have to complete the following table. 8 plus 10. In order to add 8 plus 10, as I said before, we have to put 10 in our head and 8 on our fingers. And we have the answer, we have to put a sign under it. So 8 plus 10 is equal to, so we have to put a check under number 18. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 is the double of 6. So the answer will be, so we have to put check under. 9 plus 7 is equal to, so we have to put check under 16. 3 plus 10 is equal to, so we have to put a check under 13. In this slide, we have to solve the following problems. The first problem, Tariq put in a bag 6 red marbles and 8 blue marbles. How many marbles are there in the bag? So first he put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles. Then he put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 marbles. So how many marbles are there in the bag? So what do we have to do here first? Yes?
We have to put 8 in our heads.
We have to add first 6 plus 8. Then we have to put 8 in our head and 6 on our fingers. So the answer will be 14 marbles. You have to answer full answer. Okay? So how many marbles are there in the bag? There are 14 marbles in the bag. Okay? The second one. Noor put 10 red roses and 4 yellow roses in a vase. How many roses are there in the vase? What do we have to do here? Who will answer? Yes, Sinina. We have to. What do we have to do? 10. Then, yes. Yes, we have to add 10 plus 4. So the answer will be 14 roses. Okay? So there are 14 roses in the vase. Okay? In this slide, we have to count the number of tens and ones. Then write the answers in letters and then put the numbers in the table. So, here we have, how many tens do we have? 1, 10. How many ones? 4 ones. Also, you can write 10 or plus 4. So 10 plus 4 is equal to what? 14. Also, we have to write it in letters. In the table, we have to write the numbers. How many tens do we have here? 1. How many one? 4. So the answer will be?
14.
Also, we have to write here 14. Okay?